Wintermute denies Binance lawsuit plans amid market maker rumors. Binance. Market. Wintermute founder Evgeny Gaevoy denied rumors his firm plans to sue Binance over October's crash, calling speculation unfounded despite earlier comments about evaluating legal options. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 4 hours ago. Wintermute founder Evgeny Gaevoy has dismissed widespread speculation that his firm intends to sue Binance over losses from October's historic crypto crash, stating literally nothing changed since his earlier clarifications, and the company never had such plans. The clarification comes after days of social media speculation linking the market maker to potential litigation over auto-deleveraging executions during the October 10, 11 flash crash that liquidated $19 billion in positions and briefly erased $600 billion from the crypto market cap. Gaevoy labeled the rumors as LARP when directly asked whether he had signed a non-disclosure agreement with Binance or coordinated with other market makers to pursue joint legal action. Former Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao amplified the denial by quote-tweeting Gaevoy's post, writing, "If someone made you believe otherwise, it's time to click unfollow." October crash stir ADL controversy. The October 10th sell-off was triggered by President Donald Trump's announcement of 100% tariffs on Chinese imports, creating panic across global markets. Bitcoin plummeted to $104,782 during the 48-hour period, while Ethereum and major altcoins lost between 15% and 20% of their value. Binance trading infrastructure buckled under the strain, with API failures returning HTTP 503 errors and reduce-only orders being rejected during peak volatility. The exchange's auto-deleveraging mechanism was activated, resulting in short liquidations at prices up to 5 times the prevailing market rates. Binance spent $188 million from its insurance fund and issued $283 million in refunds for Oracle-related depegs, though ADL losses were excluded from compensation. Gaevoy had previously stated in a video that Wintermute was ADL'd at completely ridiculous prices, and mentioned that the firm was evaluating legal options. These remarks fueled speculation about the lawsuit. On-chain analysis of Wintermute's 10 tracked wallets across Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Solana revealed a 12% decline in the portfolio, dropping from $637 million to $572 million. No large withdrawals exceeding $10 million or liquidation patterns involving Aave or Compound were detected. However, a single 1,000 BTC inflow worth approximately $61 million occurred on October 4, just days before the crash. Market structure under scrutiny. The October event exposed structural vulnerabilities in crypto derivatives markets, where notional liquidation figures vastly overstate actual capital losses. Speaking with Cryptonews, Sam Seo, chairman of the Kaya DLT Foundation, said the actual capital lost by traders is likely in the range of 5% to 15% of the headline number, translating to between $950 million and $2.85 billion in real losses. He warned that the remaining 85 to 95% was simply phantom leverage, synthetic exposure that was rapidly unwound. Bitcoin futures open interest collapsed by more than 30% during the sell-off, erasing over $10 billion in notional positions in one of the largest single-day declines on record, comparable to the May 2021 liquidation and the FTX unwind in 2022. Patrick Husser, head of lending and TradFi at Centaura, also explained that liquidations are a speedometer for deleveraging intensity, not a profit and loss statement, noting that exchanges settle these events using margin and insurance funds. Despite the chaos, Bitcoin recovered to $114,000 by October 13th, supported by $420 million in spot ETF inflows that helped stabilize prices. October turns red for first time since 2018. According to Reuters, October marked Bitcoin's first monthly loss since 2018, snapping a 7-year winning streak and ending nearly 5% lower for the month despite reaching an all-time high above $126,000 just days before the crash. The reversal came as broader risk appetite weakened, with Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell pushing back against market expectations for continued rate cuts and a government shutdown blocking crucial economic data. Analyst Scott Melker has earlier called Bitcoin's resilience a small miracle after the liquidation, stating, "I don't think we're entering a bear market," and noting, "This isn't 2017, nor is it 2021. What happened last week was purely structural." Bitcoin opened November trading at $106,961, down 0.7% as whale profit-taking and continued ETF outflows pressured prices below $107,000. For the first time in 7 months, institutional demand has fallen below the pace of new coin issuance, indicating that large buyers are stepping back. Markets now price a roughly 70% chance of a 25 basis point Fed rate cut in December, down from 94% a week earlier, as policymakers deliver mixed signals on growth and inflation. Analysts remain cautiously optimistic that November could restore typical seasonal strength, as Bitcoin has historically averaged returns exceeding 40% during the month. Speaking with Cryptona's MEXC research chief analyst Sean Young noted that accumulation of coins by major market participants, the trade agreement between Washington and Beijing, and moderately positive stock market performance are paving the way for a possible recovery in November. Valor CEO Farzaneh Sani also warned that the market structure remains fragile, stating, "Any change in the Fed's tone or a new round of geopolitical tension could dramatically shift the balance of power, keeping Bitcoin likely range-bound between $107,000 and $113,000 as participants await clearer macro signals." Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Why is crypto down today? November 3rd, 2025 U.S. Senators push to finalize crypto market bill as shutdown standoff deepens. Report Bitcoin price prediction. Is Kiyosaki's crash warning the catalyst for a major BTC price movement? Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Rich Dad Poor Dad author warns of November crash, but ETH could soar while everything else crashes. 20 hours ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Aster by the end of 2025. 13 hours ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Only 2% away from a major breakout zone. Big move is about to begin. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 10 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025, by Ben Beto.